Yes, very good evening to all. Myself, Ms. Arpita, faculty of Bachanba Tutorials. I will be handling Navodaya, Sainik as well as RMS classes. Well, my dear students, in the last class, we have started with a chapter called Mathematical Operation, isn't it? We have started with a mathematical operation chapter called Mathematical Operation. What is this mathematical operation actually? Mathematical operations deals with, deals with your addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, these are the four. Okay, and we will be doing, Vibod-Mass rule. Okay, we have used Vibod-Mass rule. What is this Vibod-Mass rule now? V stands for vernacular and B stands for bracket and then O stands for off and then D stands for division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. This is all about your Vibod-Mass rule and I have given you some example. In this class, let us continue with that chapter and when I'm explaining, don't write. Okay, when I'm explaining, don't write. Listen to me carefully. Okay, what I'm teaching, listen to it properly. Okay, then I'll give a time for you people to write. At that time, you should not see the board. Whatever you have understood, you can write that. Yes, Bhakti. Yes, very good evening. Myself, Ms. Arpita. Okay, I'll be handling intelligence. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. So far, just we have completed with a one chapter. That's all. Okay. Yes, am I audible to you? You can speak now. You're speaking. Yes. Okay. Yes, Bhakti. Good evening. Am I audible? Yes, very good evening, Bhakti. Myself, Ms. Arpita. I'll be handling intelligence test, okay, as well as mental ability. So far, we have completed with only one chapter, that is analogy. And previous class, we have started with a new chapter, that is mathematical operation. Just I have given introduction, and today we'll solve more problems on that. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay. Yes, Kushwan. Yes, Abhiram, welcome to the session. Yes, for all new students, hi, myself, Ms. Arpita. I'll be handling intelligence test. So far, we have completed only one chapter. Don't worry, our videos has been uploaded in the app. Go through that. If you not understood, not an issue. I'll explain you again. Once we complete all the chapters, I'll do the revision from first chapter. Okay, and I request you as soon as as possible, whatever your doubts, no, please ask me in the chat session. Okay. Disha, that is not my problem. Disha, come on. Yes, Bhakti, raised on your hand. Okay, students, in this class, let me start a chapter called mathematical operation. Okay, I'll give you example and we'll solve problems. Were all not understood in the previous class. Listen to me carefully. Okay, vernaculum. See this bar, 5 bar. This anything bar. Okay, if I write 5 upon that any bar is there, no, that one will call it as vernaculum. Actually, in intelligence test, we are not gonna use only we gonna use this much. Okay, I'll teach you. Student, listen to me. If you have any doubt only, you have to raise your hand. Okay, if you have any doubt, you have to raise your hand. Okay, students, let me start today's session now. It is very easy. I'll teach you very slowly. Okay, very slowly. Chuck is the problem. Today's problem number 1. Okay, number 1. Plus means, okay, plus means division. Okay, plus means division. Division means, okay, division means minus. Minus means into, and then into means plus. This problem already done. If done also, not a problem. Many of you didn't understood. Listen to me properly. Okay. Don't write anything. Don't write anything. Listen to me carefully. Taresh, Narasimhaya, listen to me. I think am I audible to all? Okay. You can't hear me? Yes, now it's possible. Now it's okay. Now it's possible. We think so. So this is the given data. So they will only give the question. 12 plus 6 divided by 3. Okay, minus 2 into 8. This is the given question. So students, listen to me. Who are all raised your hand? Please kindly raise down your hand. Listen to me carefully how to solve this kind of problem. Okay. First, they will only given data. This is the given data. So the first thing, and this is the given question. They will only give this. So the first thing, whatever, write down the question as it is. Okay. Write down the question as it is. That is 12 plus 6 divided by 3 minus 2 into 8. This is the given question. Now, whatever they have given the signs, isn't it? They have given only signs. Okay. What is that your problem, guys? Yes, Sami, we have did. Many of them were not there and they didn't understand the problem. So once again, I will teach you. Okay. It's not an issue. So, see, 12. 12, take down as it is, 12 plus. Where is plus? In the place of plus, we have to write division. Okay, in the place of plus, we have to write division. And then 6. Okay, increase your volume. Increase your volume. Okay, increase your volumes, guys. Replace this sign. Okay. Now division. Where is division now? Division should be written as minus. 3 as it is, whereas minus. Where is minus? Minus should be written as into. Into 2. And then again, where is into now? Into should write as plus 8. Okay. Now see. Now check with the keyboard mass. Keyboard mass. Okay. So, is there any brackets in this line? Is there any bracket in this line? No. So, there is no B. Is there any vernacular parts? No. Or no. Do we have division? Yes. 12 divided by 6. Okay. 12, 6 2s are 12. So, we have to write the quotient part. 2. Okay. 2, then for this is 2 and then continue minus 3 into 2 plus 8. Okay, into 2 plus 8. Again, let me see now. See, let me go before mass rule again. Before mass, do we have a bracket? Vernacular? No. Bracket? No. Off? No. Division? We have completed. And we have multiplication. 2 minus 3 into 2. That is 6. Rest all as it is. Now, when solving this step, if we don't have any sign, we have to put plus. Again, let me solve this step now. So, again, keyboard mass rule. Let me go with the keyboard mass rule now. Do we have vernacular? No. Brackets? No. Off? No. Division? No. Multiplication? No. We have addition. Which are the two numbers to be added? That is plus 2 plus 2 plus 8. That is plus 10. Okay, only 10, whatever it is. 10. Okay, 10 and then minus 6. 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. This is the last one. 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. This is you have to solve the problem based on mathematical operation. Is there any doubt now? Is there any doubt? And Preeti, Kindly, if I see that expression again, I will put you into waiting room. Ain't that expression, so? Huh? This Sainik kansate gotta ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಕೊಂಡು ನೋಡುವಾಗ if I do Preeti, how you feel that? Enable your video. Is it Preeti? If I stand here, if I call Preeti, how you feel? Am I right? Thank you. Yes, guys, is there any doubts? You have a doubt, Preeti? Yes. Copy down now. Copy down. If you have any doubts, let me know. I'll clear your doubts now.
Ma'am, I didn't got this, ma'am. Ma'am, I didn't understand.
You're doing the expression means how can you understand? Huh? Think from here. Don't think that ma'am is teaching, she won't see at us. When I'm teaching, and actually this is the last class problem. What you are doing? We'll do it with another copy down.
Okay, ma'am.
Sai Prajwal Wali.
Ma'am, I also didn't understand this, ma'am.
What were you doing? Just take down. This is the second time, not even a second time. This one.
Ma'am, I was absent, ma'am.
Even absent also, I have taught you many times, right? Okay, today also I have taught you. Okay, not at is everyone except that?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Pushwan.
Ma'am, I forgot for what that V stands, ma'am. Can you say it again, ma'am?
What?
Ma'am, in board mass, what that V stands for, ma'am?
Stands for vernaculum. Vernaculum, if there any bar over there. And guys, listen to me. This one already solved in a previous class. Okay, previous class itself I have already solved. Okay, and if people having a doubt again, so I have solved it again. And this is a third class of mathematical operation. You are very low at basic mathematics. You can't solve this mathematics. Intelligence is very, very difficult. Keep in mind. Starting here. Take down first. Everyone. Yes.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of V, ma'am? V, ma'am.
Vernaculum. Vernaculum.
Thank you, ma'am.
I'll teach you one more problem. Don't worry, overall not understood, no? I'll teach you one more problem. Copy down this, the same type. I'll solve you one more problem so that you will understand, okay? Sai Prajwal. Let's take down. Take down first whatever it is on the board. I'll teach you one more problem, you will come to know. And this one, it is done in the last class itself. And Larunya, where were you in the last session? Yes, Bhakti. Yes, Bhakti. You have to speak.
How did it come to
Guys, see, it doesn't mean that we will clear your doubts. Silly doubts are not in the here. Okay? Keep in mind, you have to be a little quick. Yes, Sandy.
Ma'am, is the vernaculum a fraction symbol, ma'am? Ma'am, is the vernaculum a fraction symbol?
Guys, hope you all getting this session. This understood that you're not listening to the class properly. And this is my third class teaching the same. I'll teach you again with everything. If you're not understanding this is not my problem. This is your problem that you don't know basic things about the mathematics. Keep in mind. Okay, guys, I'll teach you once again and I'll take one more example and I'll solve now. Please kindly, I'll request you everyone, Sit at one place and listen to the class properly. This is what I'm going to tell. Okay, I'll take another one problem and I'll teach you. Okay, and stop raising your hand simply. If you have any doubt only, you have to raise your hand. Okay, is there any doubt now? Is there any doubt? I'll teach you one more problem with everything. What is vernacular? Ma'am, I forgot, ma'am, in the last class. You could have written, right? You could have noted down that, what I'm telling. Just a minute. Yes, 1 minute. I'll teach you detailedly with another one now. You have to keep in mind. You have to, 1 minute. Okay, boys, can you able to see me now? You can't see the screen? You can see. You can. Okay, guys, we'll move on to the next problem. Okay, we'll move on to the next problem. I'll teach you again what is this one. Okay, please listen to it carefully. Don't see here and there. Okay, first of all, listen to the class carefully. Everyone, I request you, please listen to the class carefully. I'll teach you with a one more problem. Listen to it. Okay. Each and every step, I'll slowly, Preeti, Ramesh. I thought, okay, listen to me. The question is, what is the question now? The question is this, okay? Okay, subtraction, multiplication means plus, okay? And then division means minus, and then minus means into, and then plus means division. Okay, plus means division. Multiplication means plus, division means minus, minus means into, plus means division. So you have to find the value for 54, 54 divided by 16 minus 3 into 2 plus 2 into 6 plus 2. This is the given question. Okay, student? Everyone listen to me. Everyone should listen to me. So, this is the question. This they will only give you. Okay? This they will only give you. So, what is reward mass now? Okay? This is reward mass. Okay? Reward mass. See, V stands for vernaculum. Okay? V stands for vernaculum. What is vernaculum? Any bar. Let's see 5 bar. This is called vernaculum. And V stands for bracket. Okay, V stands for bracket. That is closed bracket, flower bracket, and then square bracket. And then O stands for off. Okay, O stands for off. Like this. Okay, this one. Again, it's not multiplication. Okay, it's not multiplication. D stands for division. M stands for multiplication. E stands for addition. And N stands for subtraction. This you have to keep in mind. Okay. Now, let us come back to the question. So, this is the given question. What is the given question? See, plus multiplication means plus, division means minus, minus means plus, plus means division. And they have given some equation. Okay. This, okay, Sani, if I give you this, will you do? Will you do this problem if I give you? Many of, and you are the one to tell, ma'am, I didn't understand properly. Okay. So this will repeat again. So this is the given question. So what is the first step? See students, these problems are already explained in the last class. Many of you are not understood. So I am explaining again. So what is the first step? Sit down divided by 16 minus 3 into 6 plus 2. What is my second step now? See, 54 as it is. Where is division? In the place of division, I have to write minus. Okay, minus 16. In the place of minus, I have to write into. Into 3. In the place of into, I have to write plus. In the place of plus, I have to write again. I have to write divided by 2. This is the second step. What is my third step now? Apply the board mass rule. Okay, the board mass rule now for this. Okay, now in this line, do we have vernacular brackets? No. Do we have brackets? No. Do we have off? Off is nothing but like this. Okay, like this they will use. But it is not that. Do we have division? Yes. Where is division now? See this thing. Okay, solve. 6 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2. 2 3 are 6. Write down the quotient. Okay, write down the quotient. Okay, in the place of the answer is 3. And then rest all as it is. 16 minus 54. And then one more step. We'll come to the second step. Now, again we board mass rule. Next, we'll write the board mass rule. Okay. Do we have brackets now? Do we have brackets? I'm not writing anything on the board. Do we have brackets? No. Do we have vernacular? No. So we have completed with division. So I have to do multiplication now. Okay. 54 minus 16 into 3. That is 48. 16 3 are 16 into 3. 16 3 are 48. 48 and then plus 3. Okay. And if we don't have any sign here, it is considered as plus. Okay. Now the next line. So according to Vibord mass rule, see, do we have vernacular brackets? No. Do we have brackets? No. Division, multiplication, we have addition. So 54 plus 3. What is that? 54 plus 3 now? 54 plus 3. What is it? 57. 57 minus 48. What is 57 minus 48? What is the answer? You will get that is 9. Isn't it? 57. What is the answer? 57. Okay. What is the answer? What is the answer? 57. That is Kushwan. Let me know guys, what is 50? You don't know basic mathematics, please forget about your intelligence test. 57 minus 48 is 9. Did you understand now how to solve this kind of mathematical operation? Preeti and many of you, Sai Prajwal, did you understand now? And now also you have raised your hand. Let me see what's that. Yes, Bhakti. Yes, Bhakti. Is there any doubt now for everyone? Still you have a doubt? And Bhakti, if I unmute you, you have to speak. Is there any doubts? And many of you are telling that, ma'am, we have a doubt, we have a doubt. What we taught in the last class, no? That only now I am doing. Is there any doubts? Preeti understood. Bhakti, I have unmuted you. You have to speak. Is it easy now? And Kushwan, please learn basic mathematics. What is minus and what is plus? If you don't know with that, it is also guys listen here. If you don't know basic mathematics, it is very difficult. Just copy down. See, it doesn't mean that whatever it is on the board you have to copy down. Write what you have understood. Okay, write what you have understood. Okay. Is there any doubts? Take down first. Karunya. Understanding? Ankit.
Ma'am, my name is Aniket. Ma'am, my name is Aniket. Ma'am, in 54 minus 48 plus 3, in the next step, why you have gotten 57 plus 48? You should have gotten you should have done 48 plus 3 and then you have to have done 54 minus that number, right?
That see, we don't have any sign, we have to write plus here. Plus and plus. If we do any mathematical operation, I do any two numbers. So 54 plus 3. Okay, that addition 54 plus 3 is 57. So minus 48 as it is. So 57 minus 48. So obviously we need two numbers subtraction. That is 54, 57 minus 48. What is the answer? That is 9.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What?
Understood, ma'am.
Everyone, is this completed? I'll show you with another problem so you will understand thoroughly. Okay? And Bhakti, I have muted you, you are not speaking. Whatever, you can talk. Finish writing? Students, it is nothing, not like whatever it is on the board, you have to copy it out. Okay? Like you have to take that number and find out the logic and solve yours. Aniket, raised on your hand. Everything done? Shall we move to the next problem now? Listen to me. Don't write. I teach you. Okay?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay. Listen to me. One more problem I teach. Okay? One more problem I teach you. Listen to me. So this is different problem. Listen. Next problem is next problem. Multiplication means multiplication means subtraction. Okay. So plus means it is multiplication, and then multiplication. Minus means is addition. Okay, guys, and that's all. You have to find the value for 12 plus 3 into 1 plus 4 minus 1. Listen to me properly. Don't write anything. I'll teach you. Don't write anything. So here multiplication means division and minus, plus means into, and then minus means plus. What is the first step now? My first step is become the problem as it is. Okay, I'll take it up here. 12, okay, plus 3, okay, that is bracket into 1 plus 4 minus 1. Now apply before mass rule. Okay, I write here before mass. Okay, students, listen. Do we have any vernacular brackets? No. It is not formula, it is a logic. Okay, it is not formula. Bhakti is not a formula. It is the question you have to substitute. Okay? So, see, vernacular is not there. Any brackets is there? Yes, listen here. This is the bracket. Am I right? This is the bracket is there. So, whatever it is, 12. So, on this bracket, 3 into 1. What is that? 3 ones are 3 as it is. Okay. Plus 1 minus. So, no, listen to me first. Okay, listen to me first. The next one is, as soon as writing the question, what is my second step? The second step is to change the sign. Okay, 12. In the place of plus, I have to write into. Okay, in the place of plus, I have to write into. Bracket as it is. In the place of into, I have to write minus. Okay, in the place of into, I have to write minus. And in the place of plus, what is the plus? In the place of plus, again I have to write into. So in the place of right, I have to write into plus 4. In the place of minus, I have to write plus 1. So what is my second step? My second step is to substitute. Substitute the signs. Okay. Let me do with the third step. What is 12 into, solve this bracket. 3 minus 2. What is the answer? 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay. 2 into 4 plus 1. Okay, students, see here. This one means you have to do multiplication. Okay, this sign indicates multiplication. 12 twos are 24 into 4 plus 1. Okay, 24 into 4. 4 fours are 16. 1 carry. 4 twos are 8 plus 1 9. 96 plus 1 is equals to 97. Is this is the answer. So, what is the answer? 96 plus 1, 97. Listen to me. I teach you again. This is the given problem. They will only give the problem. What is my first step now? My first step is whatever the given question, we have to take as it is. We have to take as it is. So I have taken here. What is my second step now? My second step is substitute the sign. Okay, 12. In the place of plus, I have to write multiplication. See here, in the place of plus, I have to write multiplication. So in the place of plus, I have written multiplication. So bracket as it is. So into, in the place of into, I have to write minus 1. In the place of 1 plus, I have to write into. In the place of minus, plus 1. Now simplification. What is my simplification? We have to use Viborma's rule. Sir, do we have a bracket? Vernacular? No. Do we have a bracket? Yes. What is that bracket? This one. So students, this bracket is nothing but solvers. Okay, 12 into 3 minus 1. What is the answer? 2. Okay, bracket as it is. Bracket as it is. The answer is 2. And then into 4 plus 2. So the bracket means, okay, off. What do you mean by off? Off is nothing but this is 2 off, 12 off. If you feel like this, you have to multiply any number. Listen here. If they give anything 12 into 3, if they indicate this much means you have to do multiplication. So 12 into 2, 12 twos are 24, 4 as it is plus 1. So according to the Viborma's rule, next comes multiplication. So 24 into 4, 96 plus 1. So 96 plus 1 is equals to 97. There any doubts in this problem? If you have any doubt, let me know. Yes, Preetham Biradar. Yes, Preetham. Preetham, you have to speak. If you have any,
ma'am, that you have gave that into place to minus a plus.
into plus minus. Yes, you can take down now. You can take.
Or we should remember that.
No. This is question. They will only give. From here, you have to write. You have to solve. This much they will only give. This is the question part. Don't worry. They will only give you. Okay. They will only give you. No need to remember that. Yes, Sanvi.
Ma'am, how do we know it is which bracket means which type of multiplication or addition we should do, ma'am? If they give bracket, how are we supposed to know if we are supposed to do multiplication or addition or minus subtraction, ma'am?
Madam, I'm speaking. If they give brackets, anything within the bracket, off means it is multiplication. It is not like that we have to do other mathematical operation. We have to do multiplication only. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, is there any doubts? Understood now? How to solve a mathematical operation? Can we raise on your hand? any doubts? We'll solve one more problems. Shall we solve one more problem now? Copy it fast. Okay, I'll teach you one more problem. Okay, hope you are done with it. You can solve. I put a question. You can solve. Okay. If you didn't understand, listen to me properly. I hope everyone are understanding. Okay, you will learn same thing in mathematics, so you will understand. Majority. Okay, guys, see now. I'll solve one more problem. I'll solve one more problem. Listen to me now. Okay. Listen to me. Minus means it is addition. Okay. And then addition means it is subtraction. And then multiplication means it is division. And then 1 minute. Minus denotes addition, and then addition denotes subtraction, multiplication denotes division, and then division denotes multiplication. This no need to remember. They will only give you. Okay, and they have given the question 7 minus 10. Okay, into 5 divided by 4, 6 plus 4. This is you have to solve. Okay, students, listen to me first. We not to write anything. What is my first step? My first step is to take down the question as it is. Okay, minus 10 and then into 5 divided by 6 plus 4. This is my first step. What is my second step now? My second step is to substitute the sign. Okay, 7 as it is. In the place of minus, I have to write plus. Okay, plus 10. In the place of into, I have to write division. And then in the place of division, I have to write into. And in the place of plus, I have to write minus 4. Okay, let me move on to the next step now. My next step is to check before mass rule. Okay, we solve before mass now. Okay, before mass. Do we have vernacular brackets in this line? No. Do we have multiplication brackets? No. Of? No. And then division. Yes, we have a division. See, this is the division. So 7 plus 10 divided by 5. Okay, 10 divided 2, 5 2 10. Write down the coefficient. Okay, so 2 into 6 minus 4. Okay, again let me solve. Okay, now here, next multiplication. Okay, next multiplication. Then your 7 plus 6 2 12 minus 4. Okay, if you don't have any sign, it's plus 7 plus 7. Okay, plus 12. 7 plus 12. What is the answer? 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 Very good. It is 19. Okay, 7 plus 12. It is 19. 19 minus 4. 19 minus 4. What is the answer? See, minus 4 is this one. 19 minus 4. It is 15. So my answer is 15. Did you understand now? Did you understood properly? Is there any doubts? Yes, copy down. Guys, understanding now? Feel little easy? Everyone? You feel easy? Swarani, Amoga, Rochan, Everyone understanding? Good. Take down first. We'll solve one more problem. Take down first. Meanwhile, I'll mark your attendance. Take down first, everyone. If you're not understanding, let me know. Sanvi and somebody like sent a query in the chat app that ma'am, you are not understanding. You people are understanding now? Everyone, let me know. Please don't hesitate to ask your doubts. Bhakti, understanding? Okay, good. Okay, meanwhile, answer your attendance, boys. I mean, kindly raise your hand. Aditya Prakash. Aditya Prakash. Aditya Prakash is in the session. Yes, he is there. Abhiram is there. Abhishek is there. Aditya is there. Amoga is there. Anjuta. Anjuta. Anjuta is in the session. Yes, Anjuta is there. Bhakti is there. Chitesh. 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 Dhruti. Chitesh is there in the session. Dhruti is there. Disha is there. Dishant. Dishant. Okay, is there? Ashit is there. Lakshmi Narasimha is there. Adarsh. Adarsh is there. Karthik is there. Karunya, Kushwan, Kushal. Lalit. Lalit. Lalit Kumar is not there. Lohit is there. Pooja Servi. Pooja. Pooja. Purva. Pooja. Purva. No. Pratham. Pritam is there. Pratham is there. Preeti is there. Rochan, Sanvi. Sai Ram Skanda. Sai Ram Skanda is there. Shreyas is there. Shruti, Sujat. Sujit. Taresh is there. Yatin Suprik. Yatin Suprik. Yes, yes. Yatin Suprik is not there. So, Yatin Suprik, Pooja, Purva, and then that's all. Okay, guys, is there any doubts now? Is there any doubts? Okay, I mark. You are all present, no? I mark. Okay, let me solve one more problem. It is easy. Raise down your hand now, everyone. Shall we solve one more problem now? Okay, everyone can raise down your hand. Yes, I marked. I'll check and I'll mark. Okay. Can you take it? Okay. Take down first. Sai Prajwal, you have a doubt? Ardik, you have a doubt? Preeti Mahesh, you have a doubt? Let me know in the chat session, Preeti Mahesh. I marked, Preeti. I marked. Yes, it is very easy. Everyone raise down your hand. Huh? Is there any doubts? Feeling easy now? Yes, it's very easy. Ardik, raise down your hand. Hope you all understood now. We'll move on to our next question. Last question for the class. Listen to me now. Listen to me. The next question is, so boys, listen to me. The next question is, A means, okay, A means it is plus. Okay. B means it is minus. And then C means it is into. And D means is division. Okay, guys, listen to me. It is very easy. So you have to find out 18C, 14A, 14A, and then 14A, 6B, 6B, 16B4. How to solve these? Ma'am, you didn't teach this, ma'am. Guys, it is very easy. Listen to me now. So for what they were giving only signs. They have given alphabets now. It is very easy. Listen to me carefully. So here, first step, what is my first step? Take down the question and it is that is 18C, 14A, and then 6B, 16B4. What is my second step? My second step is replace the sign. 18 as it is. In the place of C, what I have to write? In the place of C, I have to write into, and then 14 as it is. And then A, in the place of A, I have to write plus. And then 6, in the place of B, I have to write minus 16. And then in the place of B, I have to write division 4. So students, listen to me. So for what they were giving all signs. Now they were given all alphabets. That's all. Now again we board mass rule. Okay, let me solve we board mass rule. Okay, guys, let me check now. Let me check. Do we have vernacular? No. Do we have brackets? No. Do we have off? No. We have division. Where is division? Here. 16 divided by 4. Okay. 16 divided by 4. 4 4s are 16. Am I right? 4 4s are 16. Write down the quotient. So 4 as it is. Then 84 divided by 14 and then plus 6 minus 4. Next, what is my step? My step is 18 into 14. What is 18 into 14 now? Let me know. 18 into 14. What is the answer? 18 into 14. Let me know first. 18 into 14. What is the answer now? 18 into, very good. It is 252. Okay. 18 into 2. And as it is this number. Okay. That number is plus 6 minus 4. I have told you if you don't have any sign, that is plus. Now 252 plus 6. Okay. That is 258. Okay. 258 minus 4. Okay, 258 minus 4. What is the answer? 258 minus 4. What is the answer? 258 minus 4. It is 254. Did you understand? It is easy now. So what is my answer? It is 254. Is there any doubt in this problem now? Is there any doubts? Abhiram, doubter? If you have any doubt, raise on your hand. So students, listen to me. So far they were giving mathematical sign. Okay. So now they have given A. See, this is the question. This is the question. Till this much they will only give you. Till this much they will only give you. From here you have to solve. That's all. Is there any doubts? Is there any doubts for all? If you have any doubts, let me know. Preeti, Bhakti, new student Bhakti. Bhakti. Right. Yes. Yes, guys, is there any doubts now? Did you understand 18 into 14 solve in your books? Is there any doubts for everyone? Any doubts? Preeti, Karunya, Preetam, Dhruti, Abhiram, Adarsh, Aditya, Gautam. Any doubts? Karthik? No? Understanding? In the next class, just I'll write the question. Will you guys write the answer for that and let me know in the chat session? And Bhakti, new student. And then Abhiram, understood? Okay, guys. Yes. Understood, everyone? Is there any doubts? Copied? And Preeti Mahesh, wait. In the next class, just I'll write a question. Yes, Preeti?
Ma'am, I didn't understand about how it came to 54, ma'am.
Preeti, 4. It is 18 into 4. What is 18 into 14? 18 into 14. You are telling 100, you can tell no. 18 into 14 is 252. Okay, that answer plus 6 minus 4. Okay, if you don't have any sign, that is plus. So according to the before math rule, we have to take two numbers, right? See, plus 452, 252 plus 6. What is the answer? 253, 254, 55, 56, 57, 58. 258 minus 4. 258 minus 4 is 254. Now did you understand? Yes, Preeti?
Yes, ma'am, I understood, ma'am.
Why if you don't have any sign, it is understood that it is plus.
Okay, ma'am, thanks.
Everyone, is there any doubts in this session? Everyone, Sanvi, Karthik, Mohit, Ashit, Aditya, Gautam, understood what I have taught in today's class? Good. Preetam, have a doubt? Okay, let me clear your doubt.
Ma'am, what stands for V?
We don't get V in actually in intelligence. We see mathematics. If I have any number and bar over than this one, we call it as direct number. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
This one, no, we call it as direct number, but we don't call it the.
Okay, ma'am. Thanks, ma'am.
Okay, guys. Hope you all understood my today's session. Thank you for attending the guys. Thank you. It's time up. We'll play in the next class. Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye. Next class, we'll play in next class. Okay. Karunya, understanding what I'm teaching? Good. Thank you all. Stay home, stay safe. Bye-bye.